It's a 2016 Ford F-150. This truck was built to tough it out and tested to make sure it's up to every challenge. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: V6 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, sync with My Ford external memory control, Bluetooth, manual tilting steering column, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and wireless audio streaming. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
At Taylor Ford, we offer superior sales and service for our valued customers. Find us today at 13500 Telegraph Road in Taylor, Michigan.